Hope you're having a great day so far. Today is November 9th, Monday. On this post, we're going to be talking about the overall crypto markets, Bitcoin price action, altcoin price action, and of course, diving into some of the charts for Yearn Finance YFIUSD. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my bullish and bearish case scenarios, as well as my short-term price prediction for this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me. If you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe, as I'll be keeping you guys updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a WeBull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 3 free stocks upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also get a referral bonus if you sign up under me. Please do also read my disclaimer below, as I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. I cannot tell the future, so you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing. If you guys have any questions, comments, please only leave them in the comment section below, as I'm not going to get to all the messages in my inbox. But let me know what you guys are trading, what symbols you guys are following. I can see if I can share my opinions and analysis on those symbols. Now let's take a look at the overall crypto markets. First things first, I like to take a look at Bitcoin dominance to see where the money is flowing into or out of. Today we have Bitcoin dominance about 65%. Not much has changed. We see that both Bitcoin and altcoins in total are slightly down about 0.5, 0.6%. So not much has changed from yesterday so far. I do see that Bitcoin, if we go to the Bitcoin chart on the 1 hour, it is trying to get above the 16K price level. Currently, it's ranging in about an ascending triangle pattern. I do expect Bitcoin to be within that pattern for within a day or two before breaking above 16K. So we will see what happens with altcoins after that effect. Now let's take a look at altcoins itself. Currently, altcoins $153 billion in market cap, still very well above that weekly 21 simple moving average level, which is the level I've been mentioning over and over again. For as long as we still have price action above that level and stay above that level, I am still opinionated about total altcoins being on a macro uptrend. Even though after the 2 months of sell-off that we had recently, I still think we are on an uptrend as long as we stay above that moving average. Now let's take a look at YFI and see what exactly is going on in YFIUSD. So I like to take a look going from the highest time frame. So on the monthly chart, we don't really have any moving averages here, but we do see that it's trying to come back already, and it's only November 9th. So we already have quite a bit of volume, and it hasn't even been 1/3 of the month yet. So as you guys can see here, that does look pretty good for the bulls if this trend continues with the volume and the upward price action. Now let's take a look at lower time frames, just the weekly, but we're still working our way down to from the bigger time frames. On the weekly time frame, we still don't have a moving average yet, but we do see that we had quite a bit of volume for this green candle, so that does still look pretty good in terms of this trend reversal here since the sell-off. Now on the 3-day is where I can actually get some one moving average, which is the 21 simple moving average, the blue line right here, which we are very well below still. Now I like to take a look at moving averages because it tells me what trend I am in. Okay, so currently we are below the 21 simple moving average on the 3-day. So currently, in my opinion, we are still trying to reverse this downtrend. We are no longer, we're not yet in an confirmed uptrend yet. So for me to confirm my opinion that we are on an uptrend, we do have to get above all these moving averages on the bigger time frames. So on the 3-day, it seems like we are still reversing from the sell-off 2 months ago. And if we can actually get above this moving average, that will change my opinion on if we are going to be on a macro uptrend or not, and staying above this moving average, of course. On the daily, we are above the daily 21 simple moving average, which we have not gotten above since about late September, which was when the sell-off became very extensive and we had tried to get above it. So getting above this moving average is the first signal that this trend may be reversing. Okay, so keep this in mind, because like I said, as soon as we get above all the simple moving averages on the higher time frames, from the daily, 3-day, weekly, and monthly, that is when I change my opinion about the macro trend, and I can say that we are on a macro uptrend. But currently we are still reversing this trend. So in the short term, I'm going to share with you my bullish case scenario. So since that we have gone on top of this daily 21 simple moving average, that is a first step in a reversal. So the next resistance that I really do see, and we have been trying to get above on, is the daily 50 simple moving average, which I have been talking about on my previous post as well, currently at about 17,000 almost. So that is the next real resistance right here. However, if you guys actually take a look at all these moving averages that's available for measurement because of the young trading history, we see that all these moving averages are below this 21,300 level, 21,500 level. So that is the next key level to actually get over, which has been pretty strong resistance. If you guys actually look at the past trading history, there has been quite a bit of support and resistance here from the wicks from past trading history. So that is going to be very strong resistance at about 21,500. So like I said, the bullish case scenario and the resistances to watch for is to actually get a close on top of the daily 50 moving average, currently about 17,000, and the next price target after that would be about 21,500, because that's also currently where the 3-day 21 simple moving average is as well. So like I said, these two are going to be the main resistances if the price action continues going up, and these are going to be the short-term resistances, and that is the bullish case scenario. Always acknowledge and consider the bearish case scenario as well, because anything can happen in this market at any time. So I just got to be prepared, mentally prepared, and start just sounding the alarm when something does not look right. So of course, the bearish case scenario that would change my opinion in this case would be for price action to close below this daily 21 simple moving average again, which is the blue line right here. And that is when I would change my opinion and see that the price action is likely to continue downwards like it had when it had been struggling to get above this 21 simple moving average on the daily time frame. Now, this concludes my very short analysis of YFI and my short-term price prediction for this market, as well as the scenarios. Let me know if you found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Leave me your thoughts, feedback, comments, agreements, disagreements. I'd love to hear them. I hope you guys manage your risk carefully, and see you next time.